guys, again it's wedding, so let's get ready with me. As usual, I'm applying moisturizer. It's from Equals. So I have already told you in the yesterday's look, because it's a windy and a dry climate, so I'm using this moisturizer. Okay, today I'm gonna apply sunscreen because it's outdoor wedding. The wedding is in temple. So for the sunscreen, I'm using this Chic Nutrix Block sunscreen. And now primer. For primer, I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer, which is a silicone based primer. Today I want my makeup to stay longer, so I'm using this primer. I'm gonna color correct my pigmentation with this orange color corrector. It's a cream product. It's from Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup. Before to set this color corrector, I'm gonna spritz some spray, setting spray, which is from Maybelline. Okay. Leave it for some time, let it be dry. Okay, now it's time for foundation. Here I'm using Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. The shade is Coffee 14. I want some highlighting look in the middle of the face, so I'm using this Makeup Revolutions foundation. 12.5. Shade is 12.5. Now it's time to set this face. Again, I'm using this mask Trendsetter loose powder. Now I'm going to apply some blush. For eyes, I'm going to keep something minimal. I'm going to apply this golden shimmer shade from Nykaa Mini Palette, this one. Eyeliner, I'm going to use this Zudio's eyeliner, which gives a jet black finish. Oops. As usual, wing. And for kajal, I'm gonna use Revlon's pencil kajal. This also gives a super jet black finish. So I love this kajal for traditional wear, traditional look actually. And mascara. Mascara is very important. I'm gonna use this mask Double mascara. Gonna use step 2. It gives a density to your lashes. And I'm not going to apply a brow powder, so I am directly going to apply this mascara a little bit, like this way. I'm just dusting out the powder, loose powders. I think I just did some highlighter, so I'm using this Master's Chrome my Face Studio eye highlighter. Okay, for lipstick, I have purchased one new lipstick which is from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. The shade is Brown Espresso. So this is how it looks. It's actually a brown shade. So I'm gonna apply this. I think this is too dark for me, but I'm going to lighten up this lips with Lakme 925 Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. Shade is Blush Velvet. Let's see how it's going to end. This shade turns into 90s heroines vibe, but I don't want this shade right now for this outfit, so I'm going to wipe it off. Okay, I then wiped it fully. Now I'm going to apply this nude shade from Maybelline Sensational. The shade is NU07 lip shade. Let's look. Okay, I think it gives a pink vibe. Again, I need to remove this lipstick. Now I'm going to apply this soft matte lip cream N05 Cafe from Swiss Beauty. This will go perfect. Okay, this will go perfect. And little bit I'm going to apply this shimmer, golden shimmer on the lips. I'll be right back after my whole look finishes. I'm back with full on ready. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. I'll upload the photos in Instagram handle. You can check it out from there. And yeah, let's meet you on next video. Bye bye. See you soon.